Okay. Hi everyone. Welcome to today's video. Today we would be studying about a candlestick pattern which is known as abandoned baby. So let's directly get into it. Okay. So what exactly is a abandoned baby? Let me pull my drawing pencil over here. Let me put the video to the side. Okay. So this is what an abandoned baby actually looks like. So let's suppose that there was a downtrend which was going on, and you see a negative candle, you see a red candle which was getting formed, and all of a sudden, because of some news or something, you see that there's a there's a doji candle which gets formed. So doji is generally whenever doji gets formed, you can say that there could be or there might be a chances of trend reversal. Okay, so now when this you know when this doji was getting formed, all of a sudden what you see that the next day you see that a green candle was again formed. Okay, so this is what abandoned baby actually looks like. That this particular baby which was over here actually got abandoned, and the price which was actually moving downwards has now all of a sudden there's a gap. So this is the gap that we are talking about, and all of a sudden next day, see the gap here, this is the gap. All of a sudden next day again there was a green candle which was formed. So here you can expect a trend reversal kind of a situation to happen. So now what exactly is happening? Let's try to understand the market psychology behind it. So, the trend was actually going down. Now, of course, for abandoned baby, you will need other confirmations as well. It is not that you can just use abandoned baby for, executing your trade. Look at whether it's an overbought sold or oversold sold zone, and then make your trade accordingly. So, what exactly is happening is there was a downtrend which was going on, which is fine, but all of a sudden, there was a negative news which came into the market, because of which you saw that it even went further and there was a gap. But there was a there was a positive news which was getting formed at this particular stage, and sorry for that. Okay, so at this particular stage, there was a positive news which was getting formed. So the sellers could not push the price even further. And the next day, there was a confirmation by a big green candle saying that yes, the news has actually worked the way it should have worked. So now, since the news has worked, you will see a uptrend or rise in the stock. So this is what abandoned baby is about. Now let's try to see it with an example. So have a look over here. Now you see that there was actually, if you look at this particular place, you'll see that there was a downtrend which was going on. This is the so this is the downtrend which is going on, and all of a sudden you'll see that the bears were actually trying to push the price, but the bulls have pushed the price upward, and there's a doji, so there's a chances of change which is happening over here. A price reversal pattern which could be formed over here. So that's what happens, and here's your confirmation. Here you can see that there's a oops. Here you can see that there's a big green candle which was formed, and there was a trend reversal which happened. So this will be your confirmation, and here's where the next day is where in the opening, this is where I would enter the market. Now, you see that there was a bullish pattern which was being formed, and my stop loss will be over here, where we have the doji. So if the price falls below this, I'll book my stop loss. I'll terminate my trade, or else I'll enjoy the bullish uptrend and book profits. All right, that's all for this particular video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.